So now let's see how to copy the content of the file into the clipboard in one step, because most of the time if you want to do it, then you would need to open the file, and then you need to open with an image viewer or the text editors and select, for example, all the text and click copy. But in this case, how to do it without even the need to open the file. So we're going to use Commander Pro file manager that you can download here, and part of the tutorial is copy file content. So let me quick view this part. So now it's pretty easy, as you can see. A few steps, you just need to select the file. So in this case, let's select this file, and then go to file, clipboard, and then you have copy content. So here we're just going to recognize that it's a text file and copy the content of this file in the clipboard. So now if I go show clipboard, you see that the clipboard content contains the same content as this file. And same thing if it was an image, I could just select the image and select copy content, and it would just also copy the image into the clipboard without having to open the file. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, just put a like if you like it, and share this video. See you to the next video. Bye.